Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into 8 proven ways to make money online right here in South Africa. That's right, you don't need to be based in Silicon Valley or have a fancy degree to start earning a living from your laptop. Whether you're a student looking for a side hustle, a stay-at-home parent wanting to contribute to the family income, or just someone tired of the 9-to-5 grind and dreaming of being your own boss, this video is for you. We're going to explore some incredible opportunities that can provide you with flexibility, independence, and the potential to earn some serious cash. We'll be covering everything from freelancing and online tutoring to affiliate marketing and even starting your own online business. I'm talking about tried and tested methods that have worked for countless people, and today, I'm breaking them down step by step just for you. So, buckle up, grab your notebook, and let's get started. First up, we're diving into the world of freelancing. Now, freelancing is all about selling your skills and services online, on your own terms. Think about it. What are you good at? Writing, graphic design, web development, social media management? There's a huge demand for these skills online, and platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with clients from all over the globe. The beauty of freelancing is the flexibility. You choose the projects you want to work on, set your own rates, and work when and where it suits you. It's a fantastic way to build your portfolio, gain experience, and start generating income online. Plus, as you gain experience and positive reviews, you can increase your rates and really start to see significant earnings. If you've got a knack for teaching and a passion for a particular subject, online tutoring could be your golden ticket. Platforms like Tutor.com and VIPKid connect you with students of all ages who need help with everything from maths and science to English and music. You don't necessarily need a teaching degree for many of these platforms, but having strong subject knowledge and good communication skills are key. The earning potential in online tutoring is fantastic, especially if you're willing to put in the hours and market your services effectively. Imagine sharing your knowledge, helping students succeed, and getting paid for it, all from the comfort of your own home. Ever heard the saying, make money while you sleep? Well, affiliate marketing is the closest you can get to that. Here's how it works. You partner with a company or brand you love, promote their products or services on your website, social media, or through other online channels, and earn a commission for every sale you generate through your unique affiliate link. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's low risk and has the potential for passive income. You don't need to create your own products, handle customer service, or deal with shipping and logistics. You're simply recommending products or services you believe in and earning a cut of the profits. Platforms like Amazon Associates and ClickBank offer a wide range of products to promote, so you can find something that aligns with your niche and audience. If you love to write and have a passion you want to share with the world, blogging could be your perfect online venture. Starting a blog is easier and more affordable than ever before, and with platforms like WordPress, you can have your website up and running in minutes. The key is to choose a niche you're passionate about, whether it's travel, food, personal finance, or anything in between. Once you start creating high-quality, engaging content, you can monetize your blog through various methods, including display advertising, sponsored posts, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own products or services. The more traffic you drive to your blog and the more engaged your audience, the greater your earning potential. Are you comfortable in front of the camera and have a knack for creating engaging content? Then starting a YouTube channel could be your path to online success. From beauty tutorials and gaming walkthroughs to educational content and comedy skits, there's an audience for everything on YouTube. The key is to find your niche, create high-quality videos, and be consistent with your uploads. As your channel grows and your audience expands, you can monetize your content through YouTube's Partner Program, which allows you to earn money from ads displayed on your videos. You can also explore brand sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and even selling your own merchandise to generate revenue. Have you ever dreamed of starting your own online store but dreaded the thought of managing inventory, handling shipping, and dealing with customer service? Well, that's where dropshipping comes in. Dropshipping is an e-commerce model where you sell products online without actually holding any inventory. Here's how it works. You create an online store using a platform like Shopify, partner with a dropshipping supplier, and list their products on your website. When a customer places an order, the supplier handles everything from packaging to shipping directly to the customer. You earn the difference between the wholesale price you pay the supplier and the retail price you sell the product for. Looking for a simple and easy way to earn some extra cash in your spare time? Online surveys are a great option. Companies are always looking for consumer feedback on their products and services, and they're willing to pay for your opinions. Websites like Swagbucks and Survey Junkie connect you with paid survey opportunities. While you won't get rich taking online surveys, it's a great way to earn some extra cash in your spare time. You can complete surveys while watching TV, commuting, or even waiting in line. Just don't expect to replace your full-time job with survey earnings. Are you a photography enthusiast with a knack for capturing stunning images? Did you know you can turn your passion for photography into passive income by selling your photos online? Stock photography platforms like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock offer a vast marketplace for photographers of all levels to showcase their work and earn royalties. Every time someone licenses your photo, you earn a commission. The more photos you upload and the more popular they become, the greater your earning potential. It's a fantastic way to monetize your existing photography skills and generate passive income from your creative work. And there you have it. 8 proven ways to make money online right here in South Africa. From freelancing and online tutoring to affiliate marketing and dropshipping, there are countless opportunities to earn a living from your laptop and create the life you've always dreamed of. Remember, the key to success in the online world is to choose a method that aligns with your skills, interests, and goals. Don't be afraid to experiment, learn new things, and work hard. The online world is constantly evolving, so stay curious, stay adaptable, and never stop learning. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.